Hey, how's it going? This is Miniature Gold. This is a mix it up tutorial on how to make a couple currency commands. The currency commands we'll be going over is how to check the amount of currency a user has, that is a particular user. So when you make a currency, it already makes a command for everyone else to check how much currency they have. But this is to make a command for you to check if you want to check how much any given user has. And then I'm also going to show you how to make a command to deduct currency from a user. Because again, when you make a currency, by default, you can make it also create an add currency command. But they never make a deduct currency command. With mine, you put in the user and the amount you want to deduct, and then it'll deduct it. So in case you make mistakes, and you accidentally give someone too much currency, you could deduct the amount and give them the right amount. So yeah, that is all I'll be showing you how to do. If you find these videos helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Mix It Up tutorials. If you would like to talk with me about Twitch, Mix It Up Gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. Okay, first, I am on version 1.6.313.0. Okay, so first, make sure your command is created, or make sure your currency is created. So I have a lot of currencies, but the one I'm talking about is called gold coin. And yeah, these are really important. User gold coin. Whoever is using the command, it'll tell you how many of that currency they have. So if you call something else, if you called it like firsts, I have a one called first. Where are you? Firsts. Yeah, I want to call first. So they would type in. You type in. Well, the command would use user firsts. If they use the command, it'll return how many firsts they have. But yeah, in my case, we'll talk about gold coins. We'll go to commands. Okay, now as far as making a command to check how many of a currency they have, mine is called gold coin check, or I guess check gold coin in this case. And the way it works is simple. Also, I think you want to put this on. Make it so only you or a moderator can check it, because they'll already have a command to check how many of a currency they have. Now this is simple. It's just gonna be a chat message. It's gonna say target username has target user gold coin check. I believe that's what it is. Yep. Okay. So target user display name has a $ target user gold coins. That'll tell you how many gold coins they have if you had a currency called that. Okay, in this case, target user display name will be the first argument, and target user gold coins will return how many gold coins that user has. So let me show you. So I used it right here. Gold coin check. So if I go gold coin check, Shiki's khakis. So that will return that user's username as well as how many gold coins that person has. So just replace gold coin with whatever your currency is called, and you can do the same thing. Okay, and next I'm going to show you how to deduct a currency. Okay, so I called it deduct gold coin. Okay, and it's simple. So you probably want to add a chat message for a confirmation, but basically I choose currency or consumable, select my currency, subtract from a specific user. For the amount, it's going to be $arg2 text. So the second argument will be the amount. The first argument will be the user, so $arg1 text. Okay, we're going to add a chat message that says deducted $arg2 text coins from arg1 text. They now have $target user gold coin. Okay, let's see if that works. Okay. So I am going to deduct 100 coins from Shiki's. I'll give it back to her. Okay, so gold coin minus Shiki's khakis 100. Okay, deducted 100 gold coins from Shiki's khakis. They now have 205. Let's double check. Gold coin check. I didn't put a username. Let's put a username. Okay, so yeah, it shows she has 205. Now let's give them back to her. What is the command for that? Is it just add gold coin? Add gold coin. Shiki's khakis 100. Let's double check. Gold coin check. Shiki's khakis. And she has 305 gold coins again. Okay. And yeah, that is how you make a command to check how many of a currency a user has. That's how you make a command to deduct a specific amount from a user as well, in case you make a mistake and give them the wrong amount, which I have. And yeah, if you want me to make something else, please let me know in the comments. If this video is helpful, please let me know as well. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you would like to talk with me about Mix Up Twitch Gaming Life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/MiniatureGold. All right, see ya.